Workshop Wednesday. Oh, you see that? The shoulder cracked. That device hit me, knocked me off course. We're good. Hope y'all doing good. Got back from Oklahoma City. Life was good, man. What an incredible week. Lots of friends and family and all kinds of good things here in Oklahoma. Getting to be at the museum is always a great experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed all of it. Had a great show. TCA just keeps on rocking and rolling and being supported by people that is just incredible, and much obliged, and thank you to everybody that comes there and supports. We had twice as many people there for our 25th celebration than we've ever had. So, it was fun. It was awesome. But it's good to be back home too. Good to be plugging at it. I got a pair of Spurs here. They still got paint on them, so can't really see what's going on, but it's gonna be fun to see that, all that relief engraving. I'll get them all doctored up. You guys can eyeball them. In the coming day or two, I'll get good quality pictures taken of them, and we'll show that off. And then, hey, got a Patreon update, and it's kind of cool. So instead of paying me $25 a month to follow along, or $10 a month, they've got a deal now where I set a price on each video. So I just been doing $5. I tried to go cheaper and they wouldn't let me do cheaper. So $5 a video. And so you can go on patreon.com, look on there, and like I got a soldering video. I got lots of soldering videos, but I know one in particular is like nearly 30 minutes long or something. And so you can go in there and purchase. Now what I just remembered is I probably have to go back on every one of the Nagum videos and put they can be sold for $5. I have not done that. So on the recent videos I have. So moving forward, that's what I'll be starting doing. So you can kind of bird dog it and see what's going on if you don't want to sign up for the $25 a month. But and $25 a month gets you a video every day I'm in the shop. Including today, you get a Workshop Wednesday and a learning video if you're $25 a month. So that's all good. $10 a month gets you 2 videos a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So lots of good stuff there. It's a great way to be educated, and I'm engraving. I've been engraving a lot, like on the Spurs I just showed. So got into shading on leaves and background removal and texturing, and it was just lots of different videos, and most of that's through the microscope. So it's a bird's eye view, exactly the same view as what I'm looking at. So I like that's a good way to learn engraving, is to see what I'm seeing, and I try to explain it and do all that. So anyhow, there's a little hit on Patreon. Podcast crocking and rolling. We had a good one this week, I think, is TCA recap and kind of infomercial for the TCA. Maybe answer some questions that maybe y'all never heard us talk about. But me and Carrie and Troy Flayhardy dive deep into the TCA and talk about it for an hour. So I think it's really cool. It's a good video. Or, not a video, podcast. What else we got? I don't know. It's been active. Been lots of things going. When you're gone for a week, it always takes a while to get the wheels greased again. And everybody that's missed you for a week wants to talk about it. And everybody you saw for a week wants to talk about it. So good grief. We're recapping and revisiting, and that's all good. It's all part of it, and certainly fun and all that. We got some cool things coming up. We're going to be at the Snaffle Bit Futurity in a couple weeks in Fort Worth for the National Reined Cow Horse Association. So that's going to be fun and exciting. Got a bit we're going to have for sale there. I'm going to put a complete package together. Got a nice bridle silver and reins and romal coming for all that. So we'll get a final price tag on all that business and offer that up, and it'll be for sale there at the Futurity. And then if it doesn't sell there, well, then we may see it around some other places. But anyhow, all is well. All is rocking and rolling, and I hope y'all doing good. Thanks for following, and we'll see you next week. Adios.